Hi and welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram for more interesting tips and tutorials. In today's video you will learn how to create tiger eye earrings from scratch. Hi and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we will create these kind of seed bead earrings with crystals and tiger eye stone in the ends. Let's start. All necessary materials what you will need for this tutorial you will find in description section. Take around 1.5 meter of the thread. And we start. We will start with 4 seed beads of gold color. Enter into 2 seed beads this way. And then to the next 2. We take another 2 seed beads. Enter to the 2 from the top and then to the same 2 seed beads from the bottom, this way, and pull. Again 2 seed beads, enter from the bottom and into the same 2 seed beads, and we take last 2, enter from the bottom and the same seed beads from the top. Now we will start to create our strands. Our first strand is 35 of gold color, then we mix with brown and 26 brown color seed beads, then we will add 1 tiger eye and 1 seed bead. We start with 35 gold seed beads. Now we mix with brown, 1 brown, 1 gold, brown, gold, brown, gold, and 26 brown. Now we add tiger eye stone and 1 gold seed bead. We skip gold seed bead and we enter into the tiger eye and all seed beads. Our top seed bead here is holding our strand. Enter into the same 2 seed beads from where we came out. And then to the next 2 seed beads. Make sure your strand is flexible. Our second strand will be 36 gold and 28 brown. Mix with brown, brown, gold, brown, gold, brown and gold, and we add 28 brown seed beads. Our first strand was 26 and now we will add 28 because this bead, tiger eye bead, and our crystal what I will add is equal to 2 seed beads. And we add 1 crystal and 1 seed bead. We skip seed bead and we enter to the crystal and all other seed beads all the way up. enter into 2 seed beads from where our strand started. And then to the next 2 seed beads to start our third strand. Make sure it's flexible and not tight. Our third strand will be 37 gold and 30 brown. Mix with brown and 30 brown. Tiger eye, seed bead, and we skip seed bead and we go all the way up. Enter in the same 2 seed beads and to the next one. Our next strand will be equal to 38 gold and 32 brown. We are about to start our last strand. Our last strand will be 39 of gold and 34 of brown. We have finished our last strand. Now we will need to make a knot from our 2 threads and secure them. Just go next to the 2 seed beads with our needle and thread, then to the next 2 seed beads, then make a knot around the threads in between the seed beads, another one, then go again into the seed beads, down and up, make like a circle around seed beads. And I will create another knot. Will pass down and will cut my first thread. Same way I will secure my second thread. Now take a glue and we put our glue on these two beads from the top, from both sides. Then we take this metal element and we put our glue inside as well. And then we connect our earring to our metal element and press. Be careful with your glue. Then take pliers and press a bit more, but be careful, if you will press too hard, our glass seed beads can be damaged inside. So just be very, very gentle and press it. Our element is ready, and attach our element to our hook. And close it. Our earrings are ready. I hope this tutorial was useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and comment below if you have any questions or suggestions to my channel. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye!